Hello everyone. Today, we're going to discuss how NLP-driven content can significantly boost your online presence. Let's dive into 5 ways NLP can help you create irresistible and engaging content. 1. Enhance your communication skills. NLP allows you to convey your message more effectively, helping you to connect with your audience on a deeper level. By understanding the non-verbal cues and emotional aspects of communication, you can craft messages that resonate with your audience and leave a lasting impression. 2. Improve your writing skills. NLP teaches you to write for the reader, not just for the search engines. By focusing on reader experience and satisfaction, you can create content that is not only SEO-friendly but also enjoyable to read. This will help you attract and retain your audience. 3. Master the art of persuasion. NLP helps you understand the persuasion process and how to use it to your advantage. By developing strong emotional connections and appealing to your audience's desires and fears, you can effectively influence their decisions and boost your online presence. 4. Create engaging and shareable content. NLP teaches you how to create content that is not only compelling but also easy to share. By using persuasive techniques and storytelling, you can create content that encourages your audience to share it with their friends and followers, further amplifying your online presence. 5. Leverage social media algorithms. NLP enables you to create content that resonates with the various social media platforms, helping you to gain more visibility and engagement on platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn. By understanding the unique algorithms of different platforms, you can optimize your content to reach your target audience effectively. In conclusion, NLP-driven content can significantly boost your online presence by enhancing your communication skills, improving your writing abilities, mastering the art of persuasion, creating engaging and shareable content, and leveraging social media algorithms. By incorporating these techniques into your content creation process, you can effectively harness the power of NLP to drive your online presence to new heights.